Hi, I'm James from UserReplay. I wanted to give you a quick introduction to our new Struggle Explorer dashboards. Now, this is a dashboard set up specifically to help you get to sessions where users are coming across errors on your site. I've set up a couple of errors here, but it's completely customizable and you could monitor whatever error that you like. So these are errors that are being monitored based on bits of text that a user saw. So if a user saw an error message saying, sorry, there's no product available, please enter a valid credit card, that kind of thing, we can track those very easily here. Now, of course, you can always search for those, as with any error in UserReplay, but here we've made it into a static dashboard that I can always get to and just see what proportion of users are seeing an error at any given time. So you see I've got a couple set up here. These are attached to our demo e-commerce store. So you can see I've got errors for things like customers seeing invalid phone number in the checkout process, failed product searches, invalid name messages within the checkout process, an invalid email address when they're trying to sign up for newsletters. So these are very common errors that we have on our site. Now, what's really nice is that if there's any of these in particular that I want to dive down into deeper, I can click on the segment. So let's say we want to see all sessions where customers have seen the error message invalid name. So I'm going to click on that segment. As you can see, it's applied the filter up at the top here to say show me all sessions where the user saw the error invalid name. I'm looking over the last 24 hours, and in this example I've got this session here. Now, as always, I can open our technical inspector and I can see all of the pages the customer went to in that session, and I can expand them to see the technical detail about each page. But I can also just jump straight into the replay, and that's what I'm going to do here. And what's really handy is that it's going to take me straight to the step in this session where the customer saw that error message. So I don't have to look through all the different steps. It's taken me straight here and I can see, yes, here's the error invalid name. So I can replay this if I want. But in this case, I'm actually going to jump back 2 steps in this journey here and replay it from a few steps before, so I can really get the full context of the environment where the customer saw this error. So I can see they're looking at the checkout page here. They're going to proceed to the checkout, and it's on this next page where I think we're going to see what resulted in this error. So I can see that they're obviously struggling a bit here, and they're going to start typing in a name, and then that's what's going to result in them getting that error message on the next page view. So it's really handy that I've been able to very quickly come in from that high-level dashboard and see exactly how the user got to that error message. And we can see here that when they press continue, there we go, and that's where they saw the invalid name error. So this is a really powerful way of monitoring any kind of errors that customers are seeing on your site and being able to get back to them and replay them very quickly to investigate the specifics around what went wrong.